Good afternoon. Welcome to the virtual showcase for the Advertising Marketing Communications and Advertising Marketing Communications Management Programs, also known as AMC. I'm Kathy Patterson and I'm the coordinator. So just an overview why a student might study advertising. It's a very exciting industry. It's a growth industry with lots of labor shortages actually in major urban centers. So there are no shortage of jobs, and the jobs tend to be good paying jobs, especially once you've been working in the industry for 3 to 5 years. It's a youthful, creative, dynamic industry, especially the digital side is in big demand right now. Why St. Lawrence College? A lot of students choose Kingston because it's definitely a student town. It's not so large and overwhelming as a major urban center, and yet it's not so small as to feel like you're still at home. It's a perfect blend, safe enough that parents feel comfortable, and busy enough with students and a nightlife that students can really enjoy it. If you look in the top right, you'll see we have our own state-of-the-art Mac based lab that our students are having exclusive access to. And the bottom left, we're a very tight group, very bonded program where the students tend to do a lot of projects together both in and outside of the coursework, whether that's charity fundraisers, sports and clubs, and socializing. So you would know this program is for you if you're a people person, if you like technology, especially social media, if you enjoy communicating, and you're basically a creative problem solving. We are the creative side of business and marketing. Another big highlight of our program is a trip we do each year to Banff, and sometimes we'll do other marketing conferences as well. But this is one of the largest marketing conferences in North America called The Gathering. And each year students compete to attend, and they sit in on sessions with global brands such as Skittles, the NFL, Spotify, Gatorade. So it's a world-class conference, and our program is the only one that sends students as volunteers to that each year. We're really proud of our alumni. If you're interested in checking them out, you should check out our Instagram feed at SLCAMC. Last summer, we did an entire campaign featuring trading cards with about 60 of our alumni. We stay in very close contact with them, and we send our current students often to work with our alumni for placement, and then they tend to get hired on there. The picture on the right is a mixer we had recently where we had almost 100 current students and alumni networking and helping each other to make job connections. The student on the left, Amanda Layton, just graduated actually this month and turned her placement, where she was working with a fellow alum, Sarah McLeod, into a job. So even in this economy and this climate right now, she was able to get hired. And there's a lovely quote there about how different this program is and the support she received to land her dream job with the Office of the Governor General of Canada. Placement is a really important part of our program. In the 3-year program, you have 2 placements, one 6-week placement and one 3-week placement. We work with every single student to match them with really top tier employers. And we have about twice as many companies looking for our students as we have students. So the AMC students are in very high demand because of the skills they bring and the coaching we give them to help them to be job ready. One of our grads was actually the PR manager at Google, and we've had grads at all of these other organizations. We have a new relationship with Tweed, the cannabis company out of Smiths Falls, where we do field trips, ideation sessions, and we're hopefully arranging placements with them as well for students interested in Smiths Falls. One of the interesting things about this program is the broad range of jobs that come out of it. So with Human Resources Canada, there's almost 60 different job titles that our students are qualified to pursue. And we coach every single student through which line of work might be most interesting to them. So there's a list here of the types of jobs that our students are really well qualified for. Students focus in one area or another based on the coaching that we do with them, and we do placement and job matching one-on-one. The reason I have this picture here is this student said she really didn't care where she worked. She knew she wanted to be in an agency, probably in Toronto, but her number one priority was that she could take her dog to work, and we were able to make that happen. So it's just an example of how we try to customize our career coaching and help each student to find what it is they're looking for. Some students actually don't want to find a full-time job when they graduate. They want to do a little more schooling. So you can finish a degree and earn a BA in as little as 1 year after your diploma. So within 4 years, you could do a diploma and a degree, and really that opens up a whole world of possibilities for jobs. So the picture here, we had 6 students this year in Ireland completing a 4-year degree in 1 year after they completed their diploma with us. They're all willing to talk to new students. And on the left is a student who's currently in BC completing her degree. So we have lots of domestic opportunities, so within Ontario, Canada, and abroad, to complete your degree afterwards if that's what you choose. So thanks for watching this. I'm happy to connect with you at any time. You can email me directly to learn more about the program. And I believe we're going to do a question and answer session. Thank you so much.